This video is about the pathway through 11. Hello, welcome to the Pathway Through 11 series. This video that you're about to watch is one of several videos in this series, but they're not in any particular order. So watch them, as many of them as you want to, and in any order that you want to, for how they work best and resonate best for you. So when we think about a pathway or a path that we are taking, it could look any number of ways. Like there's lots of different kinds of paths. And that's kind of the same thing with this pathway through 11. Now the interesting part of this is that it's through 11, not to 11 or from 11. And so that's what you have to keep in mind, is that it's really going through all of these 11s that we encounter in our lives to be able to get to our destination. And so it's figuring out what is the pathway for you and how do you get through each of the 11s that you encounter. So this pathway through 11 is really thinking about how do we make this shift from 11 to 2. And probably the first question is, why would you want to move from the energetic vibration of 11 to 2? So this vibration of 11 is considered a master number because it's the first number that's double digits, where it's the same numerical value for both of the digits, so 1 and 1. And 11 is really about balance. And in this dualistic polar world that we live in, where we have these opposites and we have these different poles that we have to encounter on a regular basis, we have to figure out how to balance. And so the lesson of 11 and the vibration of 11 has been to try and balance these different extremes, these different opposites, these choices and decisions in our life. But we're now, as we ascend and as our vibration is increasing, it's important for us to now move into this 2, where instead of balancing between the extremes, we're bringing the extremes together to make something new. So it's just like if we're moving through any kind of school, where you start at one level and you progress forward. So even as something like reading, where you are learning to read first with picture books with one word per page, and then you are beginning to advance on to bigger and more complicated pieces of reading work. Same kind of thing here, that moving from balancing these extremes to actually bringing them together to make something new, to realizing that they are actually the same thing, now is a higher level of vibrational work. It's a higher level of really understanding the extremes and how to work with the vibrations of those extremes. Thank you.